Ito, quick trivia lang. Regardless of your belief, regardless of your religion, okay? Alam mo ba that a child that is raised in an environment that acknowledges God has a higher chance of growing up better than their counterparts? Or better than people who don't believe that there is a God. Again, di natin sinasabing all. Sinasabi natin, there is a higher chance because they grow up with stronger values. At ito, hindi ito pangangaral. This is actually statistically and scientifically proven. According sa Cardus Education Survey, it is actually done in the United States and Canada. They found out that children who grew up in a Christian school or Catholic school or a school that acknowledges an Almighty, hindi to tungkol sa kung anumang sekta or relihiyon mo, pero they found out that they show stronger civic engagement, moral conviction, and family commitment. According sa kanilang statistics. According naman sa study locally ng Ateneo Institute of Philippine Culture, they found out that Catholic schools in the Philippines that consistently integrate character and values formation alongside academic excellence, mas nagiging maganda yung kanilang future. Hindi lamang pagdating sa career or negosyo, kung hindi pagdating din sa kanilang way of doing things. Mas may morals. Bakit? Kasi nga, may takot sa Diyos. Totoo pala yung nakasulat biblically na train up a child the way it should go and it will never depart from it. Ibig sabihin, kung yan ay lumalaking may morals at values, hindi niya ito aalisin at hindi ba mas maganda iyon sa kultura natin bilang bansa, bilang tao? Totoo pala yung sinasabi biblically that the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Yung takot sa Diyos ang panimula ng kamalayan. And again, hindi ito pangangaral. This is not just theologically, but this is also scientifically and statistically proven. So, hindi to tungkol sa sekta, hindi to tungkol sa relihiyon, hindi to tungkol sa kung anumang paniniwala mo. Sinasabi lang natin, put up children in an environment that acknowledges the Almighty, acknowledges that there's moral accountability, acknowledges that merong pananagutan, and I will guarantee you, these people will grow up better. So, I'm not saying that there is 100% guarantee na lahat yan ay magbabago. Pero, mas mataas ang chance ma-develop ang values when the Almighty or when God is part of the foundation. Again, this is about formation. Plant a seed of consciousness, a seed of conscience, and a seed of character.